My name is Ajit Varma. I live in Bangalore and have been working since the past 9 years for an international NGO called Operation Smile, which works mainly with children born with cleft lip and palate. So, so I haven't been in hardcore public health, but I've been associated with health for the past 9 years. Some of the um common challenges were, of course, lack of infrastructure. Which one noticed was lack of infrastructure, lack of adequate healthcare workers, healthcare professionals to man positions in the government health system, uh, which created massive backlogs of not only clefts, I imagine, many types of ailments. I was involved largely in the surgical area, so I know there's a backlog of surgeries, and I understand that this backlog is not an Indian problem but a global problem. But one of the challenges which we faced, and I thought this course gave me a new perspective on, was the whole concept of community participation. So I sense in one of the large projects which I worked with in that job, which was a PPP with the government of Assam, our biggest success was the sheer push we got from the health ministry and RHM in Assam and all the government agencies which supported them. And the work we were supposed to do, or we could do, we were reasonably successful there, was largely because of this push pressure which was exerted. And I always wondered, where does the pull come from? It can't be a sort of one-way traffic if it has to be sustainable, because no government program is going to be so focused on one aspect, maybe one small aspect of a healthcare, or one small deficiency in the healthcare system for long. And then my exposure to community participation and the whole concept of low, medium and high involvement of community participation gave me a new perspective on how long-term programs can be sustainable. And that was a quite a eye-opening experience, I imagine.